1.1 Introduction to Cells, Applications and Skills. One of the many points, actually the second one, is application, investigation of functions of life in Paramecium, and one named photosynthetic unicellular organism. Well, today we're gonna talk about that. There are not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, not six, not 8, but 7 points that I have here that were in the Oxford study guide that I trust with all myself. So, we'll start with the ones of Paramecium, with the 4 of Paramecium. Then we will continue with the 3 that Paramecium and the surprise photosynthetic organism have in common, and then we'll continue with the ones that only the surprise photosynthetic one has. So, nutrition. It's smaller organisms. Growth. Increases in dry mass by the dry mass that it gets from the organisms it eats, and it also gets minerals from it, so it increases. So, yeah. Response. It reacts to stimuli, aka if it goes against a hard object, like wine, it just turns around and goes the other direction. Excretion. Exerts waste products like CO2 from respiration. Then we have the 3 points that Paramecium and the surprise photosynthetic organism have in common, which are metabolism. They both produce enzymes to catalyze chemical reactions. When I say that, it sounds very smart and I feel good about myself. Homeostasis. Simply, they both keep internal conditions, like they get rid of of water or that is too much there. Like they get rid of water if there is too much water through the contractile back walls, or just like they just want like equilibrium-ish inside them, and that And surprise, reproduction. And surprise, they reproduce sexually through meiosis and asexually through mitosis. Who would have said that, right? And then the surprise photosynthetic organism is Chlamydomonas, which is like the cutest thing. Like, check out the picture. Like, nutrition, it eats light. Like, it happens through photosynthesis, which happens inside. That is, like, the biggest thing is inside of it. It's like, it's so cute, it's so small, and you have a vacuole that is like almost the whole thing. And then growth happens by it uses photosynthesis to grow, and by absorption of minerals, and then response, it detects the brightest source of light with an eye spot because it has like a little eye on it, and and then it swims towards it. And then excretion, it I hope I pronounced it right, but it gets rid of waste products like O2, oxygen, from photosynthesis. And I just think that the Chlamydomonas is really cute. And here's a picture of the two. And that's basically it.